Hello guys! Happy holiday! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful mirror. If you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. For this DIY project, I use a Dollar Tree foam board, 8 inches craft mirror, and some reflective paper which I got from Amazon. The first step is to prepare triangular column or prism. For each column, I prepared 3 strips with the size I want and glued them together. This is the size of the strip I used to prepare the long column. And this is the size for the short column. Basically, I just measured the foam board with appropriate size and cut them off using electrical scissors. It's pretty simple. For this design, I prepared 6 long columns and 6 short columns as well. The next step is to wrap those columns by using reflective papers. When you wrap the columns, please make sure cover the openings on the 2 ends as well. These are the silver reflective paper wrapped long columns, and these are the gold reflective paper wrapped short columns. For the 8 inches craft mirror, I just spray painted the frame with gold color. I also prepared a cardboard with the same size of the mirror to consolidate the back of the frame. The next step is to lay out those columns. I would suggest to use a book underneath of the mirror to flatten the interface between mirror and columns. This will allow you to easily glue the columns onto the mirror later on. I would also suggest using both EX6000 and hot glue gun to make sure those columns are firmly attached on the back of the mirror. This is the back of the mirror. I also added some golden half balls onto the silver columns to give the mirror a little bit more features. Here is the final product. This mirror is simply beautiful. It also has some Christmas accent. I like it very much. If you also like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. I wish you guys have a wonderful holiday. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.